Okay, hello, and sorry for the distraction. The stream ended without my consent, and I didn't know. So, what I was talking about before the stream ended was Bitcoin. So, this is the trade plan for BTC USD. So, on the daily point of view, the pair have reached a resistance, and there are several attempts to break it, but wasn't successful. So I said that the only two things that can happen is you wait for the range to break either to the upside or to the downside. When it breaks to the upside, then we wait for a retest at this level, which is 30.999, and then we can pull the trigger to 33.150 for BTC, or we wait for it to break the range, come back to retest, and then we bring BTC back to 26,864, or further bring it down. Now on a bigger view, BTC looks like a higher high, higher low. When you look at it from a bigger picture, you see that it's a higher high, higher low situation. So whatever happens here will show whether it's going to continue up or down. Yes, we want it to come down so that we can buy it to the upside. So that's the for BTC USD. Now let's look at gold USD. So this is the trade plan for gold USD. Last week we decided to place a trade around this area where our target was hit because I was in that trade. So by this, and currently we are on another resistance. So what we want is we want a move to the downside on a smaller time frame. So what I can see is something like this. So, and then I don't want another high again, and then we start coming down, and so we hit this area here, which is my plan for gold. But it doesn't mean my plan will happen. You have to look at a smaller time frame to see whether what I'm planning is feasible, and you can see that there is some form of rejection already on the gold trade. Yes, so a Wu may wait to buy somewhere here depending on what he's thinking about the market. So a Wu will be here to buy this thing to the upside. Yeah, so that's for gold. Then I looked at silver. So these are my two trade plans for silver. So the first one is that there will be a move to the neckline here because there's now a higher high, then there will be a higher low, and then a move to the outside to this area. If you are a trend line trader, let me remove this. So those who trade trend line will draw a trend line somewhere here like this and realize that silver has broken the trend line. Yeah, so you will see something like this, which is like a flag, which tells you that silver may go to the upside. So that's my analysis for silver. So the next pair I looked at was, I didn't look at CAD JPY, but we can look at it. Then I will move to the Euro JPY. So these are CAD JPY trade plan. There is nothing here, but you can just outline some areas of importance, such as this area here. So if this thing should break those areas, then we are interested in pulling the trigger on a retest. So those are for CAD JPY. So let's look at Euro JPY, and then we look at British Pound JPY. So this is for Euro JPY, which I've put in a plan A and then a plan B. So those are my plan A and my plan B. So it looks like a flag. Those who trade a pattern, you trade pattern, yeah, so those who trade pattern, this looks like a flag here. So we want a retest to this area or an extended area, which is here, and then a move to the upside will be an interesting move, because fundamentally it has been proven that Euro JPY should move to the upside. So this is one of our important currency pairs. And then the next pair will be JPY, GBP JPY. Yeah, British Pound JPY. This was our previous analysis, which went so well. So those are our previous analysis. So this week, what do we expect? We expect a move to this area here, 182.855, and then a move to the upside. Or if this pair hits this area, it should break it and then break this low and then form a lower high for it to start going down. Yes, but currently as it's here now, it's showing a move to the upside. So we are expecting to see that move, because a range was broken here. This thing was ranging here, and then all of a sudden broke out. Yes, so a retest to this area will be an important area to pull the trigger to the upside. Then maybe we should look at AUD CAD. So AUD CAD is also at an important area of support and resistance, which is somewhere here. So what you want is, you want a move to the downside to set this up for you. So if you are a bear, those are some of the things you will be looking at, that this place you reject. If you are a bull, you are waiting for this thing to hit this area, and then a move to the upside will be an interesting move. So something like this and then like this will be a very interesting move to the upside. So those are my strategies for this pairs. So tactically, you'll be waiting, gradually waiting. So this is for euro pound. So we want a move to the upside. So euro should be strong, which tells us the euro, GBP, USD is more important to us now than the euro, USD. So here we want a move a little down, then a pull to the upside, and then we are in this trade. I want to look at the US oil for once, and then we'll call it a day. So this is for the US oil. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the chart for the US oil. So what do you expect? A trend line trader would have drawn his trend like this and waiting for a move to the downside and then upside to pick this trade to the top, because it's now forming a higher high, higher low in a strange way. So something like this, but you should know that there is an OPEC meeting this week. So if supply is going to be reduced, we want the price of oil to go up, because if supply reduces, demand will be high. So we will want this. So may the peace be with you. Okay, everything you do should prosper as far as forex is concerned. And I want to let you know that if you are looking for a broker, we have broker links in our description, both for Africans and Europe. They are in the description box. If you are looking for groups, we have this Discord group. Our link is in the description. We have for Telegram channel, the link is in the description. We have WhatsApp group, the link is in the description. If you have any other currency you want us to look at, you drop it in the comment section. I'll look at it, and then in our next section we will send the video of that currency. If you also want to join our Discord group where you send your chart analysis, where I will look at it and analyze them on live, it will be great. It will help improve upon your trading skill, your confidence, and your patience when it comes to forex trading. So I wish you well. I wish you the best of July, and remember not to trade money you cannot afford to lose. And your past performance, good or bad, does not necessarily indicate your future success. So you still have to be calm and stay cool, and refuse to follow complicated and sophisticated strategies. Just follow the simple rule. The song is higher high, higher low, buy, lower low, lower high, sell. Very simple. Let your eye be able to identify those things, and then you are cool to go. You can decide to add fundamental, or you toss a coin, toss the coin. If it tells you buy, you sell. If it tells you sell, you sell. Or you add fundamental into your trading decision. You add seasonality into your trading decision. It helps refine your trading in a very excellent way. I wish you all the best, and we will meet again. We are supposed to be meeting intraday, but looking at the news events for this week, I'll let you know when next we will meet. But to be able to get these announcements, it will be important to join our WhatsApp group or our Discord group or Telegram group, where you will get to know the announcements about the next live sections and the next thing we will be doing as a group. Remember, the money in your pocket is not all the money that belongs to you. You can get more money from